Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ekata with my next one video for the biology. In this video, I am going to continue the topic of reproduction, that is events in sexual reproduction. For this event, I am going to discuss about the sexuality in organisms. So first I would like to tell you the meaning of the sexuality. Sexuality means the difference between the male and females. As every organism has its male and female on this earth to reproduce together to give the birth to the new individuals. So that is called the sexual reproduction. As you know, sexual reproduction in organisms generally involves the fusion of gametes from two different individuals. But this is not always true because animals are not stationary. They can move here and there for mating, for searching of their food, but the plants are stationary. They cannot move here and there. So here nature has provided the different condition to the plants. In this condition, plants may have both male and female reproductive structures in the same plant. So if plants are having both the structures in the same plant, that condition is considered as the bisexual for that plant. Or if plants are having the reproductive structures on the different plants, that condition is considered as the unisexual plant. So you can copy these definitions with the heading of bisexual and unisexual in your notes. Now next very important information I am going to deliver you, that in several fungi and plants we are using the term homothallic and monoecious for the bisexual condition. और unisexual के लिए हम क्या term use कर रहे हैं? For the unisexual we are using the heterothallic and dioecious terms. Now you can underline this definition. After that you can underline about the bisexual and unisexual conditions. And then you can underline about the homothallic, monoecious, heterothallic and dioecious condition for the bisexual and unisexual respectively. Now here you can see the difference between the bisexual and unisexual animals. First figure is showing the earthworm and it is showing both the organisms in it. Testes, sac with testes and the ovaries. So that means that organism is bisexual. But another side you can see that cockroach is showing the different male and female. So that means this kind of creatures are considered as unisexual. Now you can see in the plants, picture C is showing the monoecious plant, because here both male and female structures are present in the same plant. This is the picture of Cara and its female sex organ is known as Ogonium and the male sex organ is known as Antheridium. Now next is the picture D is showing the example of the dioecious plant. It is the plant of Markentia. It is showing the different plants with the female thallus and the male thallus. That's why they are considered as the dioecious plants. Female thallus has the organ archegoniospore and the male thallus has the structure antheridiopore. Now in the picture E, you can see a bisexual flower of the sweet potato. So if male and female both the organs are present inside the plant, that is considered as the bisexual flower. So here you can see stamen is a male part and carpel is the female part and both are present in one flower. So that's why this kind of flower is known as bisexual flower. Beside the fungi and the plants, we have the some special conditions with the flowering plants. In the flowering plants, unisexual male flower is known as staminate, which bears stamens, and in the female it is known as pistillate, which bears pistils. Another side, if male and female flowers may be present on the same individual, they are called monoecious, or if they are present on the separate individuals, they are called the dioecious. Few examples of monoecious are cucurbits, coconuts, and few examples of dioecious plants are papaya and date palm. It was the information about the plants. But now here is the question, that same condition present in the animals. Are individuals of all species either male or female? That means they are unisexuals only. Or are there species which possess both the reproductive organs are bisexual? So here we have to make the list to understand this. As here are the few creatures like earthworm, sponges, tapeworm and leech. They all are the bisexual animals. That means they possess both male and female reproductive organs. And in another term, they are also known as hermaphrodite. Next one is the cockroach and the human beings. So they are the example of unisexual species because they have the separate male and female reproductive organs. Now we will study about the cell division during gamete formation. As gametes are of different kind, so for the different kind conditions we use the word hetero. So if we are talking about the gametes, then we will use the term heterogametic. So heterogametic species may be of two types, that may be male and female. Both the male and female are not similar. They are having the differentiation. That's why they are named as male and female. Both the gametes are haploid, though the parent plant body from which they arise may be either haploid or diploid. So individually they are the haploid cells. When two haploid cells get fused, then they can make the diploid cell. What kind of division provided to the haploid cell? Haploid cell produces gametes by mitotic division. Does this mean that meiosis never occurs in organisms that are haploid? It is not a conformation condition, that is depend on the complexity of the organism. It is growing because of the one cell, then only mitotic division is enough. But if it has to develop more structure in their body, then they have to divide many times. So it will lead to the mitotic to the meiosis division. Here we can study about the different organisms. Those are belonging to monera, fungi, algae, bryophytes. As they are not having the complexity in their structure, that's why they have haploid kind of plant body. But those are the higher kind of plants. They belongs to pteridophyte, gymnosperms, angiosperms and most of the animals including human beings in which the parent body is diploid. It is obvious that meiosis, the reduction division, has to occur if a diploid body has to produce haploid gametes. Why meiosis process is required? Because the complexity need the reduction division. So if diploid body will reduce, show the reduction division, then only it can produce haploid gametes. Now see the table 1.1. Here are given chromosomes number in meiocytes state and the gamete state. Meiocyte state is the state after meiosis process. That means in diploid organism, specialized cells called meiocytes. Gamete mother cells undergo meiosis. And how does it form gamete? At the end of meiosis, only one set gets incorporated into each gamete. So that one set is known as gamete and the diploid cells are known as gamete mother cell. If we can see in this table, human beings has 46 chromosome, but its one gamete has 23 only. Housefly has chromosomes 12, so that means it is having 6 gametes only. Rat has 21 gametes, so that means in the diploid condition it is having 42 chromosomes. Dog has 78 chromosomes, so just we have to do half of it, and 39 chromosomes in the gamete will present. Cat has 19 gamete, so that means 38 chromosomes are present. Fruit fly has 8 chromosomes in diploid state, so in gamete state it is having 4. Ophioglossum, it is a kind of worm having 630 gamete, so it is having 1260 chromosomes in meiocyte state. So Ophioglossum has 1260 chromosomes. Apple has 34 chromosomes altogether. So then gamete number will be 17. And rice has 12 gamete. So number of chromosomes in the diploid condition are 24. Maize has 20. So gametes are having haploid condition. That means only 10 chromosomes are present in gamete. Potato 24 in gamete formation. So that means you have to double it. 48 are present in the diploid condition. Butterfly has 380 in diploid condition. So then here you have to do the half of it. So 19 will be the half of 38. So 190 will be present here. 8 gametes are present. So that means 16 will present in the diploid state. So it was about the diploid and haploid condition in few examples. So these all examples are very important. If it is 2n condition, then you have to double the chromosomes, and if it is n condition, then you have to do the half of that number to make the haploid cell. So this was about the sexuality in organism. In my next video, I will start gamete transfer. So be with me. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.